Hello guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Info YouTube channel. Today's video is related to Wi-Fi, and in this video I will tell you a secret Wi-Fi trick. This trick is only for educational purposes and please don't misuse it. If you have Wi-Fi installed in your home, you must know about this trick. If you don't know, anyone can hack your Wi-Fi and can harm you. In today's video, I will tell you how to unblock your mobile if your mobile is blocked on a Wi-Fi and how you can use that Wi-Fi. So in this video, first I will block my phone on a Wi-Fi and then I will show you how to unblock it. If you want to learn this method, then you have to watch this video till the end. So here you can see this is my mobile and I will apply this trick on this mobile phone. You can see that my mobile is now connected to a Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi. First I will block my mobile on that Wi-Fi network and then connect to the same Wi-Fi in front of you. So to block this mobile, first we have to open the setup page of our router. I will use this application to open my router setup page. Download link of this application is available in the description of the video. Follow that link to download this application. This application helps you to open the setup page of your Wi-Fi router. So here you can see that my router setup page is now open. So here in router setup page, first I will go to the wireless section of my router. After going to the wireless section, I will go to the station info section. Here you can see the MAC address of my mobile that is connected to this Wi-Fi. So first I will copy this MAC address. After copying this MAC address, let's go to the MAC filter option to block this mobile. So here in MAC filter option, you can see the deny option is checked. That means all the listed devices will be blocked on this Wi-Fi. So from here I'll select the add option and then paste the MAC address that we just copied. After pasting the MAC address, I will click on apply and save option. Now my mobile should be disconnected from this Wi-Fi. Here you can see that my mobile is now disconnected from this Wi-Fi. Now whatever you do, it won't connect back to this Wi-Fi. Now I will tell you how to unblock your mobile from this Wi-Fi. So to unblock your mobile, go to the settings of that Wi-Fi on your mobile. After going to the settings, you have to find privacy option. After going to privacy option, you will see another option called use device MAC. Tap on that option and from here select use randomized MAC option. This means that now your mobile will automatically change its MAC address. Now save your settings from here and click on tick option. After saving the settings, your mobile will now connect back to the same Wi-Fi. Here you can see my mobile is now connected to that Wi-Fi again. So by using this small setting, you can unblock your mobile from any Wi-Fi network. Hope you like this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more Wi-Fi tricks.